Morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning. Shall I start the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What we have discussed in last class? What we have discussed in last class? Tell me. No one is giving any reply. Why?
Sir, what did you ask, sir?
In last class, what we have discussed?
Third, fourth, and fifth problem, sir. Exercise 8.1.
In exercise number 8.1, we discussed about third problem, fourth problem, and fifth problem. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Now, once tell me what is the statement of basic proportionality theorem? What is the statement?
If a line is parallel to the one side of the triangle, then the line divides the other two sides in the same ratio.
Yeah. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then that line is parallel to third side. Then that line is parallel to third side. That is basic proportionality theorem. Once tell me what is the statement of converse of basic proportionality theorem? Converse of basic proportionality theorem. What is the statement of converse of basic proportionality theorem? Converse of basic proportionality theorem. Is my voice is clear to you? Is my
Yes,
voice
sir.
is clear?
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me, what is the statement of converse of basic proportionality theorem? What is the statement of converse of basic proportionality theorem? If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then that line is parallel to third side. If a line divides, if for example, take one triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC is a triangle. In this triangle ABC, if a line, this is the line, DE is the line. If a line, DE is a line, divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. DE divides AB and AC, these two sides in the same ratio. Then we can say that DE is parallel to BC. Is nothing but DE. This line divides any two sides in the same ratio means AD by DB equal to AE by
EC.
If a line, this line divides these two sides in the same ratio. These two sides in the same ratio is nothing but these two sides AD and DB. Same means equal to. Another side AE by EC. If these two lines divides in the same ratio, then we can say that this DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. According to converse of basic proportionality theorem. According to converse of basic proportionality theorem. Is it clear, all of you? Basic proportionality theorem and converse of basic proportionality theorem. Still, do you have any doubt?
Sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Shall I start next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One see that question, sixth question, up to fifth question completed, right? Now, sixth one is, in the given figure, DE is parallel. DE is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ. And DF is parallel to OR. In triangle, in the given figure, DE is parallel to OQ. If DE is parallel to OQ, then apply basic proportionality theorem. Right? And DF is parallel to OR. If DF is parallel to OR also, then apply basic proportionality theorem. From the two conditions, if any one ratio is same, then equal remaining ratio. From that conditions, we can say that EF is parallel to QR. EF is parallel to QR. So from that figure is PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. This is the triangle PQR. PQR. PQR is a triangle. In this triangle PQR, DF is parallel to OQ. This is PO. This is OQ. This is DF. If DF is parallel to OQ. DF is parallel to OQ. Take this triangle POQ triangle. In this triangle POQ, if DF is parallel to OQ, then apply basic proportionality theorem. So the triangle is like this. Right? POQDF. Then apply basic proportionality theorem.
PF is
PF by
sir, that letters are not clear.
This is P, this is D, this is F, this is O, this is Q. Tell me.
PF by FQ is equals to PD by DO.
DO. From this figure also same, right? So PF by FQ equal to PD by DO. In triangle POR, in this triangle POR, FD or DF is parallel to OQ. Then apply basic proportionality theorem. PF by FQ equal to PD by DO. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then tell me that basic proportionality theorem. PF by FQ equal to PD by DO. Since basic proportionality theorem, this is equation number 1. Next condition is what here? DF is parallel to OQ. Sorry, DF is parallel to OR. This is OR, and this is DF. Now, that is DF. Sorry, this is EM. This is E, not F. PE by EQ equal to PD by DO. Now, DF is parallel to OR. PF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR. Then apply basic proportionality theorem. Now, right side triangle. In triangle POR. In this triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR. Then apply basic proportionality theorem. Tell me. No one is saying.
PF by FR is equals to PO. PD by DO.
PF by FR equal to PD by DO. That's all. PD by DO. ఓన్లీ మీకు ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇండివిజువల్ గా ఉంటుంది, ఇట్లా మిక్స్ అయి కూడా ఉంటుందమ్మా. మిక్స్ అయి ఉన్న ట్రయాంగిల్ లో కూడా యూ షుడ్ ఫైండ్ ది ప్యారలల్ లైన్స్. ఫ్రమ్ దట్ ప్యారలల్ లైన్స్ అప్లై బేసిక్ ప్రపోర్షనాలిటీ థీరం. దట్ ఈస్ ద వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. Again, in this triangle PQR, this triangle PQR also divided into two parts, two triangles. The first triangle is POQ and second triangle is POR. In this triangle POQ triangle, DE is parallel to OQ. If DE is parallel to OQ, then apply basic proportionality theorem. PE by EQ equal to PD by DO. That's all. Now coming to right side triangle POR triangle. In this right side triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR. Then apply basic proportionality theorem. PF by FR equal to PD by DO. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Once again. Triangle PQR. This is triangle PQR is given. All of you listen. P. This is Q and R. And PO. This is PO. Now, that first condition is OQ. OQ is parallel to DE. Or DE is parallel to OQ. Both are same. DE is parallel to OQ. If DE is parallel to OQ, then apply basic proportionality theorem. Here we get one more triangle. The triangle name is what here? POQ triangle. In this triangle POQ is the obtuse angle triangle. POQ is the obtuse angle triangle. In this triangle POQ, DE is parallel to OQ. Then apply basic proportionality theorem. PE by EQ equal to PD by TO. That's all. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me if you understand. Is it clear? Yes or no? Tell me. Anyone answer?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Is it clear? Yeah. Next, coming to right side triangle POR. In this right side triangle POR, if OR is parallel to DF or DF is parallel to OR, in this triangle POR, right side triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR. Then apply basic proportionality theorem. The triangle is like this. P, D, F, R. Then apply basic proportionality theorem. This two DF is parallel to OR.
Sir, I'm unable to see his screen, sir.
PF by FR is equals to PD by DO.
What is the problem?
Nothing, sir. Not clear.
Is my video is not clear or audio is not clear? Both are clear.
Now both are clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So in this triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR. Here I am writing separately. DF is parallel to OR. Then apply basic proportionality theorem.
PD by DO
equal to
PF by FR.
Right? PD by DO equal to PF by FR. And left side, in triangle POQ triangle, if DE is parallel to OQ, then apply basic proportionality theorem. PE by EQ equal to PD by DO.
DO.
Is it right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
so in this triangle POQ, given that, question number 6, given that, D is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. Then in triangle POQ, in this triangle POQ, if DE is parallel to OQ, then apply basic proportionality theorem. PE by EQ equal to PD by DO. PE by EQ equal to PD by DO. That's all. Since basic proportionality theorem. This is equation number 1. Is it clear? First condition? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
second one. In triangle POR, in this triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR. In triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR. Then apply basic proportionality theorem. PF by FR equal to PD by DO. Since basic proportionality theorem, let us consider this is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Is it clear, these two conditions? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So from these two equations, once observe these two equations, in first equation right hand side ratio is PD by DO. In second equation also right hand side condition is PD by DO. From equation number 1 and 2, here right hand side ratios are equal. That's why we should equal left hand side ratios also. What is the left hand side ratios here? PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. Then you should equal this left side ratios. Why? Because here right side ratios are equal. From equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2, right hand side ratios are equal. PD by DO equal to PD by DO. If right hand side ratios are equal, then left hand side ratios also equal. What is the left hand side ratios? PE by EQ equal to PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. So PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. What is the meaning of this statement? What is the meaning of this condition? What is the meaning of this condition? So this is the joint E and F. Then tell me, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of this condition? PE, one see here, PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. If for example, take triangle ABC, PQR, this is EF. Then PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. What is the meaning of the statement for this triangle? What is the meaning of the statement? What is the meaning of this statement for this triangle? PE by EQ equal to PF by FR is nothing but
PF parallel to QR.
PF is parallel to QR. So the statement is, if EF, the line divides any two sides of a triangle, in the same ratio, then this line is parallel to third side. EF is parallel to third side. Here also same. EF is a line. EF divides the two sides, PQ and PR, in the same ratio. PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. From this condition, we can conclude that EF is parallel to QR. That's all. EF is parallel to QR according to converse of basic
Converse of
proportionality.
basic proportionality.
According to converse of basic proportionality theorem, EF is parallel to QR. Why? Because this EF divides PQ and QR in the same ratio. PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. That's why EF is parallel to QR. That is our required proof. Is it clear, this answer?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Now write fast. Otherwise, take screenshot. Now, my small request is all of you should respond. Then only I know whether the answer is understand or not. If you are not responding anything, so it is a little bit confusion to me. That's why all of you should respond whether it is correct or wrong. You should say the answer. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
If it is wrong also no problem. You should respond. You should talk. You should say the answer. Is it clear? Completed? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Similar problem. Seventh one also same problem like sixth only. So if you understand sixth problem, seventh problem also very simple. One, see that seventh question. In the adjacent figure, ABC are points on OP, OQ, and OR respectively. A is the point on the side OP. B is the point on the side OQ. C is the point on the side OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ. And AC is parallel to PR. Then show that, or then prove that BC is parallel to QR. Okay, now in the adjacent figure, in the given figure, PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. O is inside the point. From that inside point, join OP, OQ, OR. In that OP, take one point A. A is a point on the line OP, and B is the point on OQ, and C is the point on the side OR. If AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR, then prove that BC is parallel to QR. BC is parallel to QR. Very simple problem. This is also very simple problem. In triangle PQR, take one triangle PQR. All of you listen carefully. PQR. This is point P, Q, R. O is the inside point. Join OP. Similarly, OQ and OR. OP, OQ, OR. Now, A is a point on the side OP. This is point A. And B is the point on the side OR. C is the point on the side OR. Now join AB. Join AB. Here, this AB is parallel. AB is parallel to PQ. In triangle POQ, in this triangle POQ, AB is parallel to PQ. Then apply basic proportionality theorem.
Sir, over.
Come on.
OA by
Sir, OA by AP equals to OB by
is
OQ.
equal to OB by BQ.
Very good.
BQ, sir.
P, B, Q. OA by AP equal to OB by BQ. That's all. Is it right? Is it right, all of you? Is it clear, this condition? If AB
Yes,
is
sir.
AB is parallel to PQ, then apply basic proportional theorem. OA by AP equal to OB by PQ. Similarly, join AC also. If AC is parallel to PR, then apply basic proportional theorem. OA by AP equal to OC by
CR, sir. CR.
One is responding. Why? What is your problem? Problems అర్థం అవ్వట్లేదా? What is the
Understanding,
problem? Then why you are not responding?
Understanding, sir.
Why you are not responding?
See, if they are not
You should respond,
responding,
Amma. You should respond. You should say the answer. Then only I go for the next step. మీకు అర్థమైనట్టు అనిపిస్తేనే నేను నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్కి వెళ్ళగలుగుతా. లేదు అంటే మాత్రం నేను మళ్ళీ అదే స్టెప్ ని చెప్తూనే ఉంటా. If you say the answer, my intention is okay. This point is clear to the students. Then I go for another point. If you are not saying any answer, my intention is this point is not understanding to the students. That's why I will explain one more time. That's why I need a little bit respond from your side. Very simple, Amma. In this triangle, OPQ triangle. Again, OPQ triangle, AB is parallel to PQ, then apply basic proportionality theorem. OA by AP equal to OB by PQ. That's all. Right hand side also one more. Right side also one more triangle is there. That is OPR triangle. In this triangle, OPR AC is parallel to PR. Then apply basic proportionality theorem. OA by AP equal to OC by CR. That's all. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Given that, seventh one. Given that AB is parallel. AB is parallel to PQ. And AC is parallel to PR. AC is parallel to PR. Then, in triangle POQ, in this triangle POQ, AB is parallel to PQ, then apply basic proportionality theorem. OA by
OA by
OA by
equals to OB by
equals to
PQ.
OB by BQ.
OA by AB equal to OB by BQ. Since basic proportionality theorem. This is equation number 1. Now, right side triangle. So, what is the right side? Right side triangle in
POR.
triangle POR. AC is parallel to PR.
PR.
If AC is
PR.
parallel to PR, then apply basic proportionality theorem.
OA by AP equals to
OA
OC by CR.
equals to OC by CR.
OC by CR. Since basic proportionality theorem. So this is equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, here left side ratios are equal. OA by AP, OA by E. Left side ratios are equal. That's why from equation number 1 and 2, we can conclude that right hand side ratios also equal. So that's why from equation number 1 and 2, from equation number 1 and 2, so what are the right hand side ratios? OB by BQ equal to, in equation
OC
number
by
3,
CR.
right hand side ratio, OC
OC by
by
CR.
So now join B and C. Join B and C. Here that condition is OB by BQ equal to OC by CR. Then what is the meaning of this statement? OB by BQ equal to OC
BC
by
is
CR.
parallel to
This
QR.
is parallel to QR.
That is our answer also. BC is parallel to QR according to converse of basic proportionality theorem. That is our required answer. Then prove that BC is parallel to QR. So here BC is parallel to QR. Why? Because OB by BQ equal to OC by CR. Is nothing but BC divides these two sides in the same ratio. Then we can say that BC is parallel to QR. That is our answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right first.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Completed? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So up to here, 7 problems completed. Still we have 2 more problems are there in this exercise. Up to 7, do you have any doubt? Up to 7th problem. Up to
Sir,
7.
once can you explain a fifth problem, sir?
5th problem, right? So 5th
Yes, sir.
problem is very simple, Amma. One see, shall I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
So that 5th problem is, take one triangle. Take one triangle. The triangle is ABC or PQ or XYZ, whatever it may be. Take one triangle ABC. ABC. Take 2 midpoints of any 2 sides of a triangle. Take 2 midpoints. If, for example, this is ABC is the triangle. So take P is the midpoint of side AB and Q is the midpoint of side AC. Okay, now P is the midpoint of
Yes, sir.
side AB, Q is the midpoint of side BC. Now join this PQ, then prove that this PQ is parallel to BC. That is our question. Take two midpoints of any two sides of a triangle. Now join the two midpoints. Join the two midpoints. Here you will get one line. That line is parallel to third side. Then prove that that line is parallel to third side. That is our question.
Sir,
That is
PQ,
our question.
sir, line
So-
PQ divides two sides in equal ratios. So, by converse of basic
that line is
proportionality theorem,
parallel
PQ is parallel to
Third
BC.
side. Very good. So this PQ divide these two sides in the same ratio. Then we can say that PQ is parallel to BC. That's why this is the midpoint. That's why take AP equal to X, PB equal to X. Q is the midpoint. That's why take AQ equal to Y, QC equal to Y. Find the ratio of AP by PB. AP by PB equal to X by X, right? X gets cancelled. That is 1. Find ratio of AQ by QC.
1, sir.
One.
Y by Y gets cancelled 1. Now AP by PB equal to 1, AQ by QC equal to 1. Both are in same ratio, right? Both are in same ratio.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why we can say that PQ is